Forgot your suitcase lock password? Hi everyone, welcome to Tips Repository. I'm Tips brother sharing life hacks daily. Suitcases are essential for business trips, travel, and students, especially with back-to-school season approaching. It's frustrating when you can't unlock your suitcase due to a forgotten password. So, what's a quick way to open it? Simple. Let's find out with Tips brother. Suitcases are convenient. For example, at school you can keep personal items private. Now, if your suitcase has been in use for a while and you've forgotten the password, unlocking it is easier than you think. Many people haven't noticed this, but there's a small secret on most suitcases that allows you to open it in about 30 seconds. Let's check it out. First, let's say the current combination on the suitcase is 458. We'll show you how to open it quickly. The secret lies just below the dials where you set the combination. Let's zoom in. You might not have seen it, but there's usually a small notch or groove below each number dial. First, rotate each dial to locate this notch. Once you find the first notch, locate the second and then the third. With all three notches found, try moving the release switch to open the suitcase. If it doesn't open immediately, rotate each number dial slightly clockwise. If it still doesn't open, try rotating them all simultaneously, a little at a time. Keep rotating them clockwise until the release switch engages and the suitcase opens. It's that simple even if the zipper is a little stuck. Now let me share how to change the suitcase password. This is also easy. Simply pull out the reset switch, usually located inside the suitcase, near the lock mechanism, and set your desired combination. For example, I've set it to 000. Let's see if it opens easily. Knowing this suitcase secret means you'll never have to worry about forgetting your password again. Important reminder. This method is for your own suitcases only. Please don't use it for unauthorized access. So, what do you think of this quick suitcase opening trick from Tips brother? Simple and practical, right? If you found it helpful, share it with your friends. If you enjoy these tips, follow my account and leave your likes and subscribe below. Thanks for watching.